Guys, for today's quick tutorial, we are going to learn how to customize your blog category information. Here's how you can do it. On your site's dashboard, go to blog and then go to categories. Look for the category that you want to work on and click the edit button next to it. You can then choose to rename your category, add a description, and add a category image. And if needed, this is also where you can edit your SEO settings, specifically your URL slug. Anyway, once you're done, double check to make sure there are no mistakes. And once all good, click save. And that's it. Hope you found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.